Um, Batangas family reunion. I say to Mommy Ellen Olea, my mom has a surgery in thyroid. What's that? Thyroid surgery in St. Luke's, Quezon City, in the hospital. But usually we cannot go to Batangas because I know I've been talk with Mommy Ellen. If you're watching this, Mommy Ellen Olea, I know you're the lonely person among of us, among of them, especially you're one of the neighbors in Batangas. I will not come to your fiesta in the fiesta in Batangas because I know my mom has thyroid surgery in the hospital. When will my mom will be recover? May 1. Oh, I hope will be recover in May 1. And I say to Mommy Ellen, if you're watching this, I will not come to Batangas anyway. I talk with Ate Isa anyway. Ate Isa Arcila, ha, I just said to her, I never talk about politics. I talk about we are not coming to Batangas because I know we have to cancel the event. We have to cancel the family reunion. I want to apologize to Mommy Ellen, because I know my relative Nanay Ningning is not really coming, or even Nanay Baji, even me. Even I said that I'm not coming too because my mom has a surgery, a thyroid surgery. Because I know, I just want to tell you something. Allah will protect my mom. God will protect my mom. Prophet Muhammad and Jesus will protect my mom. Oh, you know, as I could say, um, I could say I'm not coming in Batangas Festival. I apologize to Mommy Ellen Olea that we will not come to Batangas because I know my mom has a surgery. Absolutely, she has surgery. How would you ever I attend the the event? Oh, for just example, I could not attend the fiesta in Batangas. I suggest to Mami Ellen Olea, better luck next year. Oh, if Nanay Ningning is coming, even I should come too. Everyone, my family members will come too, even the relatives. We will come. How would you ever you say we will not come? And I said, oh, Nanay Banji will cook chicken inasal. And I said, yes, she will cook. And then I said, oh man, I'm just gonna cook chicken inasal. But I'm not coming in Batangas trip. However, when I say to Mommy Ellen Olea, like I said before, i-cancel mo na yan ng Batangas family reunion. Dahil may surgery ang mama ko. Oh, just like what I said, it has to be a surgery. So for all of us, better luck next year. We cannot attend the Batangas reunion because we have to skip the event. And I know, as I'm a blogger, we cannot attend the Batangas festival. I already been in Batangas anyway. There was Ate Isa when she got before her surgery in her butt, in her ass. I'm sorry, did not say a bad words. I know she has a constipated almonaras, and mostly she always come to Batangas when we before we eat there in the Korean restaurant, and before we take pictorial in what's the place, Okada, Manila. That's the place of Teacher Vincent Ramos. And then I just said to everyone, I said, oh, we always go to Batangas. There was Ninong Michael. We ate in the Boodle Fight, and we got some souvenir, the biscuit from Mommy Ellen. Mommy Ellen always gave us a biscuit anyway. In Batangas, even the anything that she got, I got a biscuit. I cakes to Mommy Ellen. Oh, and then we went to Tagaytay. We have bulalo and the soup, and then we got some cafe, and we got some drinks and coffee. But we cannot attend the Batangas trip. At least Mommy Ellen will be happy. I just said, Mommy Ellen, if you're watching this, I cannot go to your event. I couldn't go to your festival. My mom has a surgery. I would likely to respect your decision. I respect your decision. I respect your to decide that we if we want to go to Batangas by May 15, I would likely to join to your own tremendous trip. So I could say to Mommy Ellen, I cannot attend.